In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a functioning internal link within your Webflow project. This will be incredibly useful for improving navigation and user experience within your site. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up Webflow and navigate to the page you want to use as a link destination. Once inside your Webflow project, find and select the page that you wish to act as your link target. It's important to know exactly where you want your link to lead, so take a moment to double-check this. Click on that specific page to open it up. Next, look to the right side of your screen where you'll find the Settings tab. This area is crucial because it's where you'll identify your page in the link setup process. Beside the field marked ID, you will need to input the name of your page. For this demonstration, I'm going to type in metrics. Simply use the name that suits your own project. With that all set up, it's time to move back to the top of our project where we want to place the link element. This is the spot on your website where users will click to be redirected to another page. Click on the element you plan to link. Remember, it's essential to make sure this element's name matches the one you just set up on your page. Now, while still focused on the element you intend to link, go ahead and click on the settings icon. This opens up a new window of options. Here, you'll find an option labeled Page Section. Click on that. It will display a list of available sections you can link to. Click the arrow to reveal the drop-down menu and select the page name you've designated earlier. In my case, that's Metrics. Make sure you choose the appropriate page to maintain a smooth and logical navigation within your site. It's finally time to see whether everything is functioning as it should. Click on the Preview button located at the top of your screen. Be aware that loading times can vary, so if it takes longer than expected, just be patient. Once the preview mode is active, test your setup. Navigate to the area where your link is placed and click on the element. If everything is configured properly, it should direct you straight to your specified page, which for this example is the metrics page. If you're satisfied with the linking process and everything appears to be running smoothly, your final step is to publish your changes. Simply go ahead and publish your page. This will make your link live, allowing users to enjoy an improved navigation experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added an internal link key in Webflow.